If you're looking for a $20 fix for your Nissan with the check engine light on and a P0101 fault code, or you know already that you need to replace the mass airflow sensor, this video will show you how. This applies to about 2003 to 2019 Nissans and Infinitis. I'll put in the description the exact models and years and everything like that, so you can make sure. It's super easy to replace this mass airflow sensor. All you need is the new sensor. I'll put a link in the description to where you can get it for like 20 bucks. A Phillips head screwdriver, and it can also help to have a pair of needle nose pliers, but it's not necessary. Once you have that, just pop the hood, and between the air filter and the engine manifold, there is a big air tube, and you will see this sensor with these wires, this wire harness plugged into it. All you need to do is press those little tabs and pull out the wire harness, and from there you can just unscrew the two screws to take the MAF sensor out. Then put the new sensor in, screw it in place, reconnect the harness, clear the code, and you're done.